Hey, welcome back, my friends, to my alphabet series. And today we are doing the letter V. So let's go ahead and get started. And as before, this is a series where I've done all the heavy lifting, so you have fun things to do with your class, your students, or by yourself. All right, so we have our animals, and this not a whole lot today, and then the start of our books. And then again, there's seven of them, one for each day of the week, and two crafts to go with each book. Then we have our foods and places. I could think of visitor center, and that was really about it. So if you think of any more, please let me know and I will add it. And then we have our recipes. So we have our very own Velveteen Rabbit, my very own Hungry Caterpillar, the Vet's Pets, and then I took you through each step, how to make each of the little animals. And then this is going to be super fun and super messy, and I'm not even sorry about it. So, making a volcano out of mashed potatoes and gravy and broccoli and dino nuggets. This is like so much fun, and this would be a great time for dinner. And then no shapes today, and then our songs. So I hope you guys enjoy the letter V today and hope you guys found some good books. Velveteen Rabbit, another classical book. And that's it. Well, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you on the next letter. Bye.